There was no luck coming to consensus on the First Amendment to the Kahnawà membership law at the April 16th hearing. But fear not, there is another hearing slated for May 9th. And although the numbers have been increasing, Legislative Coordinating Committee's Gahan Horn-Miller is still looking for more participants to be part of the process.
We open up all of our community hearings to everyone in the community. And really it's a standing open invitation. So what we've had in the past and to date is different people coming and different people at different hearings. So because of that, we end up with different compositions of groups so that you have a different kind of discussion happening each time. Now that was part of the problem last night, was that we had in group 3 new community members that came to participate in the discussions. And because of that, they brought new issues that they felt that they needed to be focused on. As well, for some of them, they hadn't read any of the supplementary documentation that we provide on the website. And that creates a situation where the same issues keep on being discussed at the different meetings, and it kind of bogs it down. So I think what we're going to do from now on is in our public announcements and when we talk to groups and individuals and in the wider community, is ask and really reinforce that people take the time to read the documentation before they come. That's actually part of the community responsibility, is to have people read that stuff and become knowledgeable about what went on, what kind of discussions were happening at the last meeting, so that when they come, they're informed and it doesn't hold things up. And of course, when we're dealing with modern day issues like time constraints, people have other responsibilities. So when they come, it's quite a sacrifice for some of them to make the time, to find sitters, to be there. And we really appreciate that. So we're trying to ensure that their time is worthwhile. A consideration of people when they come to participate, what group they're in. I think we're going to be more mindful of that. And also perhaps putting in place more break periods so that we can take a few minutes amongst ourselves as facilitators and members of the KLCC to really look at what's happening that evening, taking into consideration what people are telling us who have participated, and trying to incorporate that kind of feedback into the process and making it really a people's process, because that's what it is, and it continues to be. It started at the grassroots, and it continues to be a grassroots movement and a grassroots process, so that we listen to the people who come and try to reflect in the process itself and any changes to it, what they're telling us.